Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from Tech Updates. Today I'm unboxing a silent mouse, the B110 Silent mouse from Logitech. And this is a cable mouse, so not wireless. And yeah, it's supposed to be really silent. This is a graph showing how silent it is compared to the M170. This is the B110 here. And so yeah, let's start unboxing it. I'm going to open the box from here. This is the nylon packaging, and this is the mouse. And this is as well the manual. Warranty. Now I put this on the side and the box on the side. So this is the mouse, and as you can see, it's with cable. Now it's a personal preference. I mean, I like to have a mouse with a cable. Other people like it to have wireless mouse, and personally, I mean, I don't like to have use batteries with the mouse and kind of lose it sometime somewhere. So I prefer to have it with cable, but of course you can also use another mouse that is wireless, and you can also find the description about this one in the description below, the link to it, and more details about it. Now let's look at this one. Now, as a first feel, if I try now to click here, I don't know if you can actually hear anything, but it's really silent. Now I brought these other mice that I have, all cable as well, but these are different brands. So this is from Genius, this is from Dell, and this is from HP. So different brands of mice, and let's now try to just click on them and see, try to see the difference with the noise. So this is now the HP. This is the Dell, and this is the Genius. So if I try to kind of click on them, together here. So from HP, Dell, Genius. Maybe Genius kind of sounds a bit less noisy than the other ones. Maybe they look kind of sound the same, level of noise between the HP and the Dell. But now if we just put this next to them together here, just in here, right in the same distance, I mean, to the mic of the cam. And so this is Logitech. Let's put it here actually. All right, this is the Logitech here, the fourth one. Can you hear that? Now HP, Dell, Genius, Logitech, the B110, obviously not the another one. This is the specific model of the mouse, and you can see that it's really silent. It's it has a really slight noise, but not as loud as the other three ones here. Now we have bring it actually close to the camera. Just put this one next to it. So this is the HP Logitech B110. The right click, even the wheel. Can you hear that? Bring this even closer. Wheel. So it's really silent, not totally silent, not perfectly silent, but much more silent than these three ones, the other brands Of course, I mean, this is a Logitech that is not a normal one, but it's like specifically made to be silent, the B110. This HP model, I don't think I can like find the model number or type on this one. The Dell, neither. I don't know what model it is, this one. The Genius, I think it's just called like X Scroll Genius. That's what's like the type of this mouse. But otherwise, like these are, let's say, normal, cheap, mice under $20. And what is actually surprising is that also this one, the Logitech B110 Silent mouse, is just in euros 11.80, I think, something like that. Like, so it's less than €12. So in dollars, like, something similar, maybe like $13 or $14 maybe. Anyway, it's like less than $20, and I'm really surprised with the quality of the sound. It's really useful to use this mouse if, let's say, you're doing, let's say, home office, and maybe you're not, let's say, in a closed room. Maybe you have, let's say, other people in the same room, and maybe they might be bothered with the clicks of the mouse, and so this one would just like make the experience like much better for them and for you. Maybe you are doing, let's say, like an online webinar, and you don't want, let's say, to have the clicks of the mouse to be heard in the video or in your live stream or whatever, and then you can use this one, and it will make your experience much more enjoyable by the participants, by other people in the call. So yeah, so this is the B110 Silent Logitech mouse. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to buy such a mouse. Yes or no. Do you prefer to have a silent mouse, especially these days after the pandemic and the shift to more online, more work from home, ways of working? Maybe such gadgets, such accessories at home would be kind of make your life more easier and more productive, maybe. Yeah. So let me know in the comments below if you like it, if you think you would like to buy one or not. And please, if you like this video and you find it helpful to you and useful, please consider commenting on the video, liking it, and even subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.